In problem 3, we are solving a quadratic equation here. I say quadratic because if you multiply this out on the left-hand side, you'll have an x squared term. So what we want to do for x squared equations is get everything on the left-hand side. So let's first multiply out the left-hand side. So first terms here, x times x will give x squared. Outer terms, minus x. Inner terms, plus 3x. And then last terms, negative 3. And we got that 12 on the right-hand side. So this will be x squared, negative x and a positive 3x, negative 1 plus 3, positive 2x, minus 3 is equal to 12. And then we want to subtract 12 on both sides. Get everything over on the left-hand side and 0 on the right. So we're left with a 0 on the right-hand side. On the left-hand side, x squared plus 2x, negative 3, negative 12, negative 15. And so now I got 0 on the right-hand side. So quadratic equation, that's always the first step. And now let's try to factor by hand before trying to use quadratic equation. So first terms have to make x squared, so this has to be x and x. And then we want, in our last slots here, we want factors of negative 15 that add up to positive 2. So let's see, that will be 5 and 3. And then we want the 5 to be positive and the 3 to be negative. So that'll give us negative 3x and a positive 5x, positive 2x. So then we will set each factor equals 0. So if a product is 0, either the first factor, x plus 5, is equal to 0, or that second factor, x minus 3, is equal to 0. In the first case, if x plus 5 is equal to 0, subtract 5 on both sides, so that'll come over as a negative. X is negative 5, or add 3 on both sides. This negative 3 will come over as a positive. X equals 3. And if you plug both of those back in here, they will both check in the original equation.